Are your outlets burned or warm to the touch? Are they discolored or loose? You could have an electrical fire just waiting to happen. But don't freak out. Instead, take action. First, stop using the affected outlets immediately. Then, call OHM Electrical Contracting. Our friendly, licensed electricians can replace your bad outlets to help keep you, your home, and your family safe. OHM is a small, local company owned and run by good folks who live right here in Seattle. When you hire OHM, you get the OHM commitment. Safety is our top priority. We do the job right the first time, and we always give you a fair price for top quality work. Contact OHM today.